Hello guys, in this video we are going to solve Leetcode problem 5, which is longest palindromic substring. It's a medium level Leetcode problem and it has been asked in many companies. So given a string S, return the longest palindromic substring in S. I hope you understand the palindrome, right? What is a palindrome? So we are not going to discuss this palindrome here. Basically the idea is the characters from the left, if we start from the left and the right, they should read same both side. So in example 1 we have this BABAD. The output is BAB because BAB is the longest palindromic substring in S. ABA is also a valid answer. Okay. In example 2 we have cbbd. Output is BB because the longest palindromic substring is BB. So to solve this question, we are going to basically start from the left and from the right and see if the characters are matching or not. So we will store the longest palindromic string in the result, and what we are going to basically iterate over the vectors of the string, right? So let's is our iteration at line number 5. So initially L is equals to R is equals to I, and then because we are doing that because every character itself is a palindrome, so we will do we will use a while loop while L is greater than equals to 0 and R is less than length of S, and S of L is equals to S of R. So if it is the case, then we are basically going to decrease L minus equals to 1 and R plus equals to 1. Now we can check if length of result is less than R minus L plus 1. So we want to find the longest palindromic substring. So that's why we are doing like this, and we can store result is equals to S of L colon R. Okay, L colon R. I think, yeah, L colon R plus 1. Now, so this is from line number 6 to 12. We are assuming that every character is a string. But how about this BB? We can have string. We can have palindrome from the adjacent two characters as well. So what we are going to basically do is copy this code. So L is equals to I, R is equals to I plus 1. Now we will do the same thing from line number 16 to 21. At the end, we are going to return result. Let's run the code. So all the test cases are passed, as you can see. Submit the code. So submission is successful. Our code is accepted and it's working fine. Here the time complexity of the algorithm is we are using one outer loop, and this is another loop. So basically it's order of n square. So I hope you like this video. Please like and subscribe to my channel. Thank you.